You are maybe a student or working person or part of any other group, but the most common fact is we all spend a huge time in front of our computer, whether for job or for our own needs. But during that time, I believe we all faces different kinds of problems while working on a computer. Sometimes you may find your PC or laptop working too slow, or maybe you are facing too many unwanted pop-ups on your screen, or maybe your Windows start menu is not working. Or if you're a gamer, then you are probably facing too many lags on your game, or your internet working too slow. Well, during this annoying time, we try to go on the web and searching any reference to solve this, and soon it becomes so confusing. Then without finding any other options, we take our laptop or PC to repair and collect a huge bill. Well, I can understand. Today I'm going to show you a super easy way to fix all computer problems. And if you haven't faced any of the problems I said earlier, I will still suggest you to see the whole video. So if you face any problems in the future, you will already know what to do. So let's get started. Well, to fix all your computer problems, you can use Glary Utility Pro. Glary Utilities is a system utilities to clean and repair many things like registry, defrag disk, remove junk files, fix PC errors, protect from different privacy breach, and many more. It also provides a one-stop solution for PC performance optimization and also increase your computer speed and fixes frustrating errors, crashes and freezes. By the way, the download link for this software will be given in the description. Make sure to check it out. So after you download this software and install, run Glary Utility on your desktop and you will find the program interface something like this. Here click on one-click maintenance. Now you can click on all the checkbox from the left side panel. Now click on scan for issues. When you click scan, it will automatically start scanning for errors. Now it will take some time. After completing the scanning process, it will show a list like this where all the problems you have on your PC will be listed. Now click on repair problems. Once the repairing is finished, I suggest you to restart your PC. You can also do a lot of stuff with this. If you click on the arrow button from here, it will give you more options which you may want to utilize to optimize your computer. You can remove malwares. Also, there is a duplicate files finder, I think, which is very helpful. If you click on this, it will open up a new window where you can choose the drives you want to scan. By the way, never ever choose the C drive or the drive your operating system is installed. When you select the option, click on scan, then the software will do the rest for you. Also, there is an empty folder finder. With just one click, you can delete all the empty folders you probably have on your computer. You can also optimize your computer memory with the memory optimizer. Now let's move on to the next option. The second option and my favorite is Advanced System Care Pro. This is also same as Glary Utility, but this is more powerful. Advanced System Care aims to remedy whatever ails your computer by not only cleaning up junk files, malware and invalid registry entries, but by giving your computer a boost to optimize your PC experience. By the way, the link will be given in the description. Make sure to check it out. So after you download this software and install, run the software on your desktop and you will find the program interface something like this. Now you can select all the box if you want. I prefer to select all of that. Now click on scan. When the scanning is done, you will get a list of all the problems on your computer. Then click on fix all problems button. If your computer is working slow, you can click on speed up tab and use options to optimize and speed up your PC. If there is any security issues on your computer, you can click on protect tab, then turn on all these options. Also, you will get lots of other options in the toolbox tab. I'm suggesting you to check all these options. These options are really helpful. So that's all for today. I hope this video helps you to solve your problem. If you want more of these kinds of PC techniques and tech related video, please consider subscribing and don't forget to press the bell icon. And also feel free to like, share and comment. See you soon.